One of my workshop participants asked me recently, Ben, I want to become a great presenter. How many presentations should I deliver per month? What did I tell him? Let's find out. So first of all, I said to him, what do you mean per month? If you want to become great, you have to deliver presentations every single week. How many? Well, minimum, really minimum, you should deliver 2 presentations every single week. 2 presentations or speeches every single week, but better even 3 to 5. If you deliver that, the chances that you become great and you become great faster are pretty high. And the other thing I told him is that when you start out, and you want to become a great presenter, you want to focus on 2 major things. Number 1, really, you want to make it a habit. That is the most important thing. Now, at the beginning, you might not be able to get opportunities where you can present or speak 2, 3, 4, 5 times a week, but you want to make it a habit nonetheless. What does that mean? At home, by yourself to somebody. It can be a friend, it can be a family member. Make it a habit that at least, 3 times a week, you deliver a very short presentation. Longer is of course better, but at least a short 2 or 3 minute presentation. But the key is that you really start making it a habit that basically 3, 4, 5 times a week, you give these short presentations. And the second thing that you want to do, you want to seek out more and more opportunities. At work, maybe join Toastmasters or multiple Toastmaster clubs so you can deliver more speeches, more presentations, and even in your personal life. Let's say a friend of yours get married and they're looking for an MC, jump in. Take the job, do it, even if it's non-paid. Okay, do it. The more presentation time you can get under your belt, the better. So focus on these things, building the habit consistently and consistently seeking for these new opportunities. Where could you find opportunities? And by the way, also at work, jump in. If there's somebody needed for a presentation, jump in and volunteer. So comment below one time, do you want to become a great presenter? And then also write down, what is your commitment? How many times a week are you committing to present? And then don't wait until later. Don't watch the next video yet, unless it's mine. No, get your schedule out, and plan in this week, which days, what times are you going to give those presentations? Who can you shortly give a presentation to? So please comment that all below one time. It's for you, not for me. And if you haven't done it yet, hit the subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up. And as always, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.